When I'm 6 feet underground with bugs in my brain, they will give visions of you, and they will know what you smelled like and hear the sound of laughter. They will feast on the corner that is you, and we'll sing, oh, like songbirds to the loss of our innocence. 'Cause I'm a dog in the gutter and you're the rain on my fur. Kiss me sweetly like the dew, and I need someone crazy, oh, to keep me sane. I need something out of reach to keep me alive. And her fingers carve furrows into my skin that let the wind cut through, and I will feast on her like a sacrament and cry repentance like we do. And we'll sing, oh, like songbirds to the loss of our innocence. 'Cause I'm a dog in the gutter and you're the rain on my fur. Kiss me sweetly like the dew, and I need someone crazy, oh, to keep me sane. I need something out of reach to keep me alive. And when I crawl from my grave in the odds of spring into the morning sun, I will tell the keeper that it's you I need. Into your grave I'll run, and we'll sing, oh, like songbirds to the loss of our innocence. 'Cause I'm a dog in the gutter and you're the rain on my fur. Kiss me sweetly like the dew, and I need someone crazy, oh, to keep me sane. I need something out of reach to keep me alive.